I refuse to lose.
Hey!
Happy Funday Challenge Day!
Challenge Day! Funday Day Challenge Day. Today we are doing
The classic game of...
I've never played this.
What?
Yeah, but just say
We're
what
playing Chubby Bunny. And so for those of you who don't know what that is, it is a contest of who can fit the most jumbo marshmallows into their mouth while also being able to say Chubby Bunny. You have to say Chubby Bunny.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna go one at a time, and
Okay.
whoever basically like starts frothing at the mouth first and isn't able to say the words.
Let me swallow my spit. Let's do this. My mouth's watering still. All right,
Okay, oh my gosh, are you ready? Like, okay.
go. 1.
Chubby Bunny.
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 Chubby bunny. I refuse to lose.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Oh.
Throw up. Okay. Congratulations.
I win!
My God, I'm being nice. How many did you fit? Got messed up at 6,
Yeah.
and you were able to do it at 6.
I was able to put 7 in, but I couldn't say Chubby Bunny anymore.
But I couldn't fit the 6 in. Well, there you have it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us more for more silly, goofy adventures on Rendo and Marty.
Bye!